Yeah, what's up guys? It's Chef Zay Bully. I want to show you how to debone a chicken. And yeah, stay tuned. Here we are. Let's get it. So first you get the drumstick, get the leg or whatever you want to call it. It's basically a drumstick. You feather it right here. Get a chef's knife. Cut it open. Feather it. I'm gonna break the joint. So when you hear like a pop, that's when you broke it. You hear that? You hear that? There we are. And keep cutting. And you see the cartilage right here? If you have a weak stomach, don't look. So the cartilage should be like right here. We're gonna cut through that. Your knife is strong enough to cut through it. So hang the chicken up. And there you are. So you have a chicken thigh and a chicken leg all right here. Then you do the same thing to the other side.
When the mama sang us to sleep, but now was just
And what's left of your chicken, you'll have a leg, like a free leg chicken. So for the wings, I'm gonna dislocate this bone, dislocate the bone. I'm gonna move it around. There we are. And basically the same thing you're doing with the legs. Just do it right here. And look for the white part, the gauze. Make sure you dislocate the bone well. There we are. There we are. Look at that. Same thing over here. There it is. You can see it right here. Okay. Then now you get the breast. You see that? Just look like this part from the whole rest of the body. There can never be a nurse. I don't got a strong stomach like that, but yeah. Feather the skin. You see how I'm pulling as I'm cutting? But like, not cutting, sorry. It's like, just letting my knife glide. You don't cut as close to the bone as you possibly can. Here's your breast. Here's your tenderloin. Right here. Like your chicken tenders or whatever it's called, right here. And your breast is right here. Here's part of the wishbone. I already broke that one down, I pre-broke it. So here's the wishbone already. You can keep that for like good luck or whatever the thing's called. But this is the chicken breast right here. No bones in it whatsoever. Then for the other side, you're gonna do the same thing. Because close to the bone right here, it's like a spine right here. As close to the bone as you possibly can. Don't like some bony breast. Here's the bone. Here's your breast. Pretty meaty breast right here. So here's your breast right here. Your tenderloin. Sorry, I don't like to say breast. So here's your tenderloin right here. That's your chicken tenders, like I said. We get to each full chicken has a tenderloin, which is just this chicken tender. You put it on the other chicken breast. I'll cut that one off too. Here's the other breast. So here's two lines. Here's one breast, bone free. Here's the other breast, bone free. Here's the full piece of the breast. Here's the chicken breast right here. It's a nice thick breast, chicken breast. So skin on as well. Skin's on. Here's the other chicken breast. It's pretty good too. It's a lot of fat. Here's the wings. Later. Here's the other part. Here's the leg and thigh. Here's one tender. Here's two tenders. And here's the other leg and thigh. So, yeah. Chicken breast with the chicken breast we cut and deboned last night from the chicken. So first, you want to take the skin off. Next, we're going to trim some of the fat. There we go. And right here is your whole chicken breast, skinless and boneless chicken breast. So you want to grab the tender that we made last night, that we cut off, right here. Because you want to put this over the hole you cut in. You're going to butterfly the chicken. We're going to stuff the chicken with mozzarella cheese and pepper jack cheese with spinach, onions, and I think that's it for now. So you want to start with the thickest part, which is probably the top part right here. Cut inside. Use the bottom of your knife and just so you'll stuff the stuff in here. Then when you close it, lay the tender on there, and bam. So, all right, next you want to chop the onion. So, I already they took the skin off and everything. So you want to do slices. So get a knife, slice it. You want to like cut like this, probably like an inch thick, or 1/4 inch thick. Then just chop that one up, and break it apart. And this will all go in the stuffed chicken. Then next you want to do to cook the spinach, and I'll show you how to cook it. All right, first you want to get your onions hot, your pan, everything hot. You want to cook your onions first, and then you put the spinach in. Spinach shrinks down, so you want to put like probably 2 handfuls in, and just stir it and all that, flip it, get all the sides coated evenly. And there you are. There's the spinach and everything else. Next, you want to season your chicken breast. I've been seasoning it with the roasted garlic. Grab your chicken, just rub it on. Now, right here, you put your filling in, the onions and spinach. So now, get your skillet, your grill skillet on the pan. Spray some olive oil on it, and start grilling it. Now you want to check the side, the bottom of it. Next, get some foil, put your chicken breast in here, tuck the ends up. And I always like to put garlic and rosemary in it, just give it that little taste. Here's your rosemary, and here's your garlic. Always put 2, one at the bottom, one at the top. Put some rosemary in, not the whole stem, just some leaves. And you just tuck it in and put it in the oven. Alright, so now you want to check the chicken breast. See how it made its natural juices? See that? I'm going to make a gravy out of that too. Always check the inside of stuffed chicken breast. You want to make sure it's done. Well, that's beautiful. That is beautiful. So now, I'm gonna open it a little bit and put some cheese in it. So So I'll show you how to do that. Yeah. Just layer it in. Tuck it close like that. It won't close all the way, but that's okay. They put it in for like 2 more minutes, okay? Only 2 minutes, because you know cheese melts fast. All right, now that the chicken is ready, we're gonna get the chicken out carefully, because it's hot. Then place it in the middle of the plate. There you are. You get the juices and the foil. Then pour that in here. Just break up the garlic with your hand because it should be soft. Yep, it's soft. Add pepper. Cumin. And I like to use pink Himalayan salt. Get a little bit of flour. Stir it up. So now there's us cooking. Get your chicken breast. And just push it over. That was good. Is it good?